Good evening. We are Team Argus. So, with CISA workforce recently slashed by over 50%, the United States faces an unprecedented gap in proactive cyber threat monitoring. Nation-state actors like Volt, Typhoon, APT28, and Lazarus Group are actively exploiting the vacuum, and there simply aren't enough human analysts left to watch the wire. The solution: enter Argus, named after all-seeing giant of Greek mythology. Argus is a fully autonomous cyber threat intelligence platform that deploys AI Scout to continuously monitor, analyze, and visualize the global threat landscape 24/7, doing the tireless work of correlating data so human defenders can focus on making decisions. The core capabilities are: we are using Autonomous Scout Network, the ICE. We are using 4 specialized Utori AI scouts run continuously in the background. They monitor NVIDIA and Zika advisors for critical vulnerabilities, X and Twitter for real-time chatter from security researchers, GitHub for new exploit proof of concepts, security news, bleeping computer, dark reading, etc. We have multimodal extraction because every pipe of raw data flows through powerful 7 steps pipeline. It runs OpenAI GPT-4o for semantic depth and Kleiner, a specialized name entity recognition model for cipher labels in parallel. The pipeline automatically extracts the threat, CVE, malware, and IOCs, merging the result for maximum accuracy. So you can see this is a live knowledge graph. Here you can see all the criticals and all the scouts that are working to get the threat, smarter tools, Microsoft Office, and you can see 39 actors, 226 edges, 454 nodes. This is all real-time live feed from Utori, and these are the graph nodes, so you can see all the actors and all the attacks and their details, like WineLoader, AP229, AP28, all attack originating from. So as you can see, after 30 seconds new threats were added, so threat actors and different nodes. So this is all live and nothing is seed or mock data. You can see the graph is being populated in live. So yeah, this is the 3D graph of all the things that are going on, and you can see a map where you can see where the threats originated from and where they are attacking at present. You can see they are attacking my Microsoft. Yeah. So the visualization, we are using global attack map, a real-time 3D map with MapLiper GL showing mathematically correct attack arcs between threat actor, origins, and target organization, color coded by severity. So LO is not severe, elevated. Reds are usually Zika attack. So this is auto watch, on-demand deep investigation. So if you click on it, one of the nodes, you can deep investigate using Tavily, and it searches all the data and gives you all the summary of it, like what was the attack, how it took place, when it took place, what were affected. You can see the executive summary here, and technical. If you go, you can see all the details of a threat and how they are affecting a particular organization. Yeah, we can also use Glider and compare it with OpenAI detected summary, but yeah, as you can see, the graph is being updated at real time. Thank you. This is our submission for the hackathon.